Hey guys, Steven Reviews Products here. Today we're taking out a new product from GoolRC. This is the T47 upgraded foldable drone with a gravity sensing control. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, right off the bat, instructions. Cool plastic. Whoa. Carbon fiber case. Okay, not real carbon fiber, but it's like a flex. You can see the carbon fiber green. It's so beautiful. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, there we go. The T47. Some sort of Wii stick charger, probably. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is tiny too. It's itty bitty. Let me get a ruler here so I can show you guys at home. Alright. 2.5 inches or 6.5 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters or 5 3/4 inches. This, wow. Okay, so we have an on-off button, tail light, headlight, little tiny camera. The little propellers flip out. I would say this is a DJI Spark clone. Alright, let's see what else. So we have a remote control. You have an on-off switch on that side. Battery. This is, you actually have to put 2 AAA batteries in here, and these are not included. I've already put some in. Some Amazon Basic branded AAA batteries, because I actually tried this out before I shot this video review. We have 4 buttons, a joystick, and this joystick actually clicks, so it has a little bit of a click to it. Now if you look through the directions, so they have different languages. This one is the English one, and they all kind of have like a dual language. So let's find the page that actually talks about the controller. Alright. So the joystick controls up and down and rotation. So when you move the stick to the left, it rotates left. When you move it to the right, it rotates right. When you push it up, it goes up. When you push it down, it goes down. To get all the other functions, you actually tilt this. So if I was to compare side by side, forward, backwards. Now, one thing I noticed when flying this, it works to a certain degree. You can't go like whoosh, and it just goes straight up. It has a limit, right? The drone can only go so far back. So it has, I think, about maybe 10 degrees or 15 degrees in each direction. And there's also a button on the front end here. This is for like different high and low. So like high, low, if you want like a sport mode versus a standard mode. And that's going to make the turning a lot more aggressive. The camera doesn't have any kind of SD card. It's just a standard, transfers over Wi-Fi. You can actually pair this to a different phone, and you can view the camera in real time. So let me go ahead and get my iPhone here. So we have the iPhone running iOS. We'll go out to the App Store. They have an app, and let's just verify the name. I think it's called GoolRC, or yeah, GoolRC. So we'll search GoolRC. Search. Alright, let's go ahead and get it. Let me go ahead and install this. Alright, so I got the app installed here. Let's go ahead and open it up. It said connecting devices, but it can't find it because we're not connected. So if you go into settings, you go into Wi-Fi. That's currently what I'm connected to. You're looking for this network, and yours will be different. It's something UAV. Go ahead and connect to it. There should be no password. Alright, now we're connected. Let's go ahead and go back into the app. Connecting device. Oh, helps if I hit connect. Alright, now that we're connected, we're going to see a live feed from the camera. So it's obviously looking into the cushions. So there's the box that the product came in. Here's the little packaging. Let me increase the screen brightness on the iPhone here, so you guys can really see what's happening. Alright, so wall, there's a shelf, pictures, the case, everything came in. The camera setup, there it is, it's all there. Now you can actually in the app control the drone. If you hit the off button, it'll put it on, and this will give you a whole array of functions. Now if you push the little arrows here at the top, you have the option to take off, you have the option to stop, and you have the option to land. So if we go ahead and hit take off, the drone fires up. Now it's actually not going to take off until I move the left stick up and down. I'm not going to do that right now. And if you don't take off right away, then it shuts itself off. It also has a self-landing function, and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and set this in a position where you guys can see it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit record. So there's a little video button. So now it's recording video. But actually, before I do that, let's pair it up to the remote control. So we're going to go ahead and turn the remote control on. A little beep there. So I'm already connected to the drone using this. Now to use the remote control, what you're going to need to do is you turn it on, put batteries in it, turn it on. So you have up and down to get it synced up. So you push it up and then down. And when you hear a double beep, you're good to go. So now, because this remote uses a gyroscope, or not a gyroscope, uses an accelerometer to actually measure the angle that you're holding it, you have to hold it at a horizontal position with the joystick straight up, and you push and hold the right button right here. This is a calibration button. When you push and hold that, while it's level, you hear a long beep. Oh, I gotta reset the drone. One sec. Hold it, turn it back on. Okay. So now, forward, down. Oh, let me turn the remote off too. Sorry guys. And one thing I'd want to point out for future improvement on the manufacturer side, that switch right there. It is not the best switch in the world. Okay. We're all synced up. Up, back, double. Alright, now we have that synced up. Go ahead and push the right button to calibrate. And it's not working. Alrighty. I think it's because we paired the phone, so let's go ahead and disconnect the phone. So I'm actually going to turn off Wi-Fi for a second. We're going to turn everything off here. Ideally, you should be able to connect your phone and your drone. So we turn on drone first. We turn on remote control with the poor switch. Alright, we get a blinking red light. We go up, we go down. Double beep, it's ready to go. See how the lights on the drone went solid? That's a good sign. Now, let's turn our Wi-Fi back on. Let's connect to our UAV network. And we'll go back into our GoolRC app and hit connect. Alright, now that we're connected, let's go ahead and we see the live view from the camera. There we go. So I'm going to start recording. And now I'm going back to the remote. So we need to calibrate the remote. It's solid with the solid red light, but we need to calibrate it because it doesn't know this position yet. So we hold it nice and straight. Hold for 2 seconds. You get the blinking lights, and we're ready to rock now. So let me tilt the camera up a little bit here. So you guys are going to see what the drone sees. I'm going to try and capture it on camera as it flies up a little bit. So we push the center button on the remote control to actually take off and land. That starts the props. We move the joystick up to make the drone raise. Let's see if I can get a better angle of the drone here. So here it is. It's kind of hard to fly where I'm at. But as you can see, as I bring the remote forward, it flies forward and backwards. And if we want to go left and right, same concept. Now let's make it land. Hey, there we go. Well guys, thanks for watching.